How to review the cash flow statement, what is it, and how to look it up with TD Ameritrade. I'm going to show you guys and girls exactly how to look up the TD Ameritrade, how to look up the cash flow inside of TD Ameritrade, and what some things to look forward to. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, my name is Prince Dykes. I'm the Prince of Investing. Thank you for tuning into the Investor Show. Don't forget that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so let's jump straight into it. So today we're going to look up how to look up the cash flow statement. You guys probably heard me talk about the different statements. We got the income statement, the balance statement, and the cash flow. The cash flow statement is very important. It tells you how much cash is flowing in and out of a company. It tells you what a company is doing with this money. How's the company being financed? How is the company investing this money? And also, how much money can it generate? So we're going to look at all those things, how to look up those things right here inside of TD Ameritrade. This is not the only place you can look it up, but you can look it up in other places. So first, let me talk about why the cash flow statement is important, what I kind of hinted on already. So the cash flow statement is broken down into three sections. You got the operating section, operating activities, investing, and finance. The operating is telling you how much money can the company generate. Is it in a is it a negative cash flow or is it a positive cash flow? What is it doing to make money? Right. The second side of the house, how is the company investing money? Is it selling bonds? Is it buying stock? Is it buying other companies? You can see all those type of things by looking at the cash flow statement on the investing. The second section, which is investing. The third section is the financing activity. How is the company financing itself? Is it taking out a bunch of loans? Is it borrowing a bunch of money? What is it doing to finance itself? So the most important one is the operating activity, what we're going to look at first. So what you're going to do here, you're going to go to right here, you pull up any company. You can go up into the search menu, pull up any company you want to look up. Uh, right now, we're going to look up Bank of America just because it's easy to look up. So we're going to go to fundamentals. Once you get the fundamentals, go right here to cash flow. Now you're going to look at the cash flow. You got the annual and you have quarter. So let's, for prime example, let's might as well just look at quarter. So right here, you're going to stroll down. The first section right here is the cash flow from operating activities, the most important one. This is the net income. Where do we get the net income from? We can get the net income from the income statement. So the net income is how much money do you have after all the bills are paid in the company, right? So the money you taking home. Now, um, now that would be what you call it. So now you got the income statement right here, the net income. Then you have all of the different things that came out, the depreciation, the amortization, all the other places that money came in from, right? Working capital. And down here at the bottom, you can see if it's a negative cash flow or a positive cash flow. So right here, this is in millions. So this is 19 billion that came in from operating from cash flow, right? This is telling you what is the company doing to make money on a particular day. Now here you go in, you're going to go down, stroll down to the second section, which is investing. How's the company investing money? So sale of maturities, right? Sale or maturity of investments. So when money goes out on an investment, that's money the company went out and maybe they lend it out or money that went outside the company. So when you see negative, that's money that the company has invested. When you see money coming in, for prime example, if a company sells a bond, if it sells a bond to you, you buy the bond, the money comes into the company, right? But if the company goes out and buys its own stock, this is what you can see when a company buys its own stock. If it buys its own stock, this is going to be a negative. So this is how a company could be investing itself, right? So right here you can see total cash from investing. They got a negative 90 billion in the quarter because this is displayed in millions, right? So stroll on down some more. You're going to see the last section, which is financing activities, right? What are you doing to make money? You can see this is the total cash paid in dividends, what they paid out in dividends, debt that matured, long-term debt that they had to pay off. Are they borrowing money? How they making money, right? So now you stroll down, you can see the total cash from financing, 161 billion. Give me 1 second, Wes. Now you can see the net to see how the company is bringing in money or whatnot, right? The net cash change, all the good stuff like that. So it's a quick overlook of the cash flow statement right here that you can look at inside of TD Ameritrade. Now, what I like to do more, I like to go to the SEC filings and pull it up to get more of a readout. But this kind of breaks it down for you and put it inside of TD Ameritrade. So the best way to get it is to look at the 10K or the 10K or the 10Q report, which is the 10Q is a quarterly report, the 10K is an annual report to see how money is flowing in and out of a company. Because right here, it's not showing you capital expenditures, how much it costs to run the business, all that stuff like that. But this is a quick overview inside of TD Ameritrade. So my name is Prince Dykes. This is the Investor Show. I hope this helped you guys and girls out to become better investors, to look at the cash flow statements built inside of TD Ameritrade. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me doing around the globe. Peace, be safe, I'm out, and thank you.